Hello friends, it's Rick Lisa's Kitchen and Garden. We haven't seen you for a while because we have been traveling. Today is April 29th, 2023. And this guy we harvested last year, the cut squash. We harvested a whole bunch of cut squash last September. Yes, that's right, they lasted to today. That's the purpose of this video. I'm going to show you how to make stew with this delicious squash, and also I promote you to grow it if you have a garden. This squash, when they're young, they taste like zucchini. You can make salad, stir fry, whatever you like. And when you keep it, it tastes more like a buttercup squashes. They are turning sweet and they are perfect for stew. We ate a lot of them throughout the winter, and you see, they're still in good shape. And this squash is very pest resistant. It doesn't have a lot of disease or mildew problems. Only squirrels come to give a couple of bites from time to time. But it generates a kind of film, the juice, it heals itself. So it keeps very well. Now I cubed the squash, half of it. I still have the other half left there, and I cut some onions. I minced some garlic. These are pre-cooked beans, multi beans. You can add other things, corn, peas, whatever you like. We just added as carbs. And I have a little bit of pre-cooked ground beef. I bought a family pack. It's really big, so I stir-fried it just for storing it. Now let's start. Now you warm up the wok. Put in some olive oil. And put in the onions. Let onion cook. You don't have to put it on a very high heat. Just let it cook until the onions turn to be nice and soft. It's better to let them get golden. Now the onion is cooked nice and soft, and I put in the minced garlic. And you stir fry till you get the fragrance of garlic. Yeah. It doesn't take long. And then pour in the garlic. Give it a good stir. Add a little bit of water. Now I turn up the power. And I'm adding my pre-cooked beans. The reason I pre-cook the beans is because this way the beans and the squash will be cooked at the same time to make life easier. I'm putting some of this hamburger. That's the source of protein. Well, I have beans too. That's a good source of protein as well. Here's a good mix. Add a little bit of salt. You can also add other spices to your like. You can add curry or other spices, whatever you like.
Turmeric, cumin,
Whatever you like.
Montreal steak spice.
Yeah. Mix them evenly. And I'm so proud to say that the squash is from our garden, the garlic we use is from our garden. Gardening is so beneficial and we really like it and enjoy it. Now it's the end of April. It's the gardening season should start already. We planted our green beans yesterday, and I recommend you start to do it soon, and you can have a good harvest. So, and then you just add some water and let it stew. Now you can just add some water and let it stew. Your water should be almost the same height as your content, and you stir it from time to time. You can taste the juice, see if the salt is enough, and let it stew. It takes about 20 to 30 minutes until the squash is nice and soft, and that's the indication it's cooked. About 30 minutes. Now you see the squashes, it just looks like melt. The cubes will melt, and so I turn off the power. I dash some goji from our garden from last summer. And I'll also add a little bit of perilla leaves to give it a little bit extra flavor. These are the perilla leaves we harvested from our garden last year too. We dried them. They're very, very delicious. It added extra flavor.
Nice smell.
Oh yeah, it smells really good. And it's very beneficial for your health too. And just give it a good mix, and it's ready to be served as a brunch. This batch probably will last us 3 or 4 days. It's really nice and hearty and healthy.
Yum, yum.
Yeah, until next time, keep gardening and cooking. Enjoy your life. Thank you for watching. See you next time.